David.
What's going on, man?
What's up?
Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you.
How you been, man?
Good.
Good.
Been a good while.
So, tell me what's going on with you, man. You're the new ruler of the flame.
It's unreal, you know. Couldn't believe it. I thought it was fake almost.
Isaac is this great fabricator metal artist from California. He's super creative. He's got this great energy about him that you'll see soon. And I'm just super pumped to be working with Isaac.
I'm Isaac. I'm based in Santa Barbara, California. I own a metal shop called Isaac Ornamental Metal. We do functional structural art. We combine both art and cutouts, rails, gates.
So tell me, what did you start with? A stick, MIG, TIG? What was your first thing?
Oxy.
Oxy!
Oxy
Dude,
was the first.
I kind of love the oxy-acetylene. Yeah. So if you wanted to maybe do some ESAB, Victor, Ruler of the Flame inspired artwork, let's do it, man. What do you think?
I think so. I think it'll be good. Yeah. I have an idea. I'm thinking of a scepter.
A scepter?
A scepter.
All right, show me.
So, you know, kind of like the tubing coming in like that. Add some metal right here.
Uh-huh.
Kind of like a claw, a couple of spheres, maybe one or two.
Okay. No, seriously, man, I'm gonna dig this.
Yeah.
No joke. I like this a lot. Doing artwork is hard because you have to think about the material,
exactly.
The concept, you have to think about how you're gonna do it, how long it's gonna be.
Yeah. Texture, everything.
Yeah.
You know, everything, but that's the fun part, to bring it to life. I'm not too scared of a challenge. You know, I am, but I like to always figure it out. That's always the fun part.
I think we gotta dig right into this. Let's start. What do you say, man?
I said, yeah, let's start.
Let's do it.
So you heat it up right here and bend it. And the next step will be adding these here and wrapping it around.
Are you gonna spot weld it over here and then
I think so.
start bending it?
Start rolling it.
Ah.
That's the idea.
I'm super excited and so proud of Isaac, and I cannot wait to see what he's gonna do in these next couple of hours.
I'm extremely excited to work with David. It feels like a dream.
Tell me a little bit about Victor. We're always talking about the quality, about the durability, but right now, you're actually using the torch.
When I'm cutting right here, just feels smooth. It's just, you know, the reaction time is perfect. It's quick. There's no kickback. You know, I'm not just like, it's not throwing me. The pressure's just right. It's smooth. You know, Victor's been doing something right that checks everything off, like the longevity, the lasting, when you first strike your arc, and like I said, the response time, there's no kickback. You know, the torch is not gonna slam out of your hand. They just hit the nail right.
I was kind of thinking about doing some textures with a cutting detachment, just a little bit, just a little bit of abstraction to the steel rod. Is that cool, man?
Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
Good.
So just kind of shoot at it a little bit, get that highly textured effect on it. You want to try it?
Yeah.
All right.
So instead of just cutting, we're actually gouging a little bit into the metal, giving it that texture on the bars. It's giving it more soul, more character.
All right, so how are you liking it, man?
I'm liking the texture.
Yeah?
It gives it more character.
There's absolutely nothing that gets me more excited than seeing other metal artists working. There's another effect that we could do. We could cut into the tube a little bit and give that like another level of texture and movement. You want to try it? Isaac, so tell me, how are you feeling with everything?
I like the evolution of it, the way how we're adding different textures, and that was a good idea of cutting into it.
You like that?
It changes, adds to it.
Do you think we go straight into the oxy welding?
Oh yeah,
You want
get
to?
into that. Yeah.
All right, well, before we do that, I want to talk to you about my absolute favorite freaking torch on the planet. This is the Victor J28.
Yeah.
Lightweight. It's the light duty one, so it fits perfect in your hand. It's not too heavy. This is the absolute best torch for metal art. But we got to try it out. What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's do it. I didn't discover Victor. It was given to me by my father when I was 5 years old. That's a good 40 years of using Victor. So we're gonna go ahead and heat the base metal first, and then drop by drop, start filling in with the filler wire. It's basically the same thing as TIG welding, same kind of process, same kind of movement. And when you get that good, nice red glow to it, you start dropping in just little drops. Dig into it a little bit. Make different puddles, mountains and valleys, just whatever you want. Swag, I absolutely love this torch, man. What we're doing is oxy-acetylene, which is something that's maybe 100 years old. Oxy-acetylene, the world revolves around Victor. Perfect brand when it comes to oxy-acetylene. Want to try it? You're a natural, man. Looking good, man.